Ali Baba and the Secret of Sharing. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Baghdad, there lived a poor but kind-hearted woodcutter named Ali Baba. He worked tirelessly each day, chopping wood in the forest and selling it in the market to support his family. Despite his humble circumstances, Ali Baba was known for his generosity and willingness to help others in need. One fateful day, while Ali Baba was chopping wood deep in the forest, he overheard a group of 40 thieves approaching. Quickly, he hid behind a large rock and watched as they stood before a massive boulder. The leader of the thieves stepped forward and exclaimed, "Open sesame!" To Ali Baba's astonishment, the rock shifted, revealing the entrance to a hidden cave filled with countless treasures, gold, jewels, and precious artifacts. After the thieves departed, Ali Baba cautiously approached the cave. "Open sesame," he whispered, and the boulder moved aside, granting him access. Overwhelmed by the sight of such wealth, Ali Baba took a small portion of gold coins, enough to ease his family's struggles but not enough to be noticed by the thieves. He then sealed the cave and returned home. That night, Ali Baba shared his discovery with his wife, who was equally amazed. "We must be wise and discreet with this newfound wealth," Ali Baba advised. They decided to use the gold to help their neighbors and friends, anonymously providing for those in need. As the days passed, the lives of many in the community improved. Families who had struggled to put food on the table found mysterious bundles of provisions at their doorsteps. Debts were paid off, and the once struggling village began to flourish. One day, Ali Baba's brother, Qasim, noticed the sudden change in Ali Baba's fortune. Driven by greed and curiosity, he pressured Ali Baba to reveal his secret. Reluctantly, Ali Baba shared the story of the cave and its treasures. Qasim, consumed by his desire for wealth, rushed to the forest the next morning. Qasim found the cave and repeated the magic words, "Open sesame." Inside, he was dazzled by the treasures and greedily filled his bags. However, in his excitement, he forgot the magic words to exit the cave. Panic set in as he realized he was trapped. Later, Ali Baba noticed Qasim's absence and, fearing the worst, went to the cave. He found his brother inside, distressed and unable to escape. With a heavy heart, Ali Baba spoke the words, "Open sesame," and rescued Qasim. "Brother, your greed nearly cost you your life," Ali Baba admonished. "We must use this treasure wisely and selflessly." Qasim, humbled by the experience, agreed. From that day forward, the brothers worked together, using the wealth to build schools, repair homes, and create opportunities for the less fortunate. They realized that the true value of the treasure lay not in the gold and jewels, but in the ability to uplift and support their community. As word of their generosity spread, the village thrived. The people, inspired by Ali Baba's and Qasim's example, began to help one another more. Acts of kindness became the norm, and a strong sense of unity and compassion grew within the community. Years later, Ali Baba and Qasim were remembered not for the wealth they had discovered, but for the lives they had touched and the positive change they had inspired. Their story became a legend, a timeless reminder that true treasure is found in sharing and caring for others. The wisdom of Ali Baba's actions taught everyone that the greatest wealth is not in material possessions, but in the kindness and generosity we extend to others. By sharing their fortune, they created a legacy of love and community that would endure for generations. And so, the tale of Ali Baba and the secret of sharing lived on, inspiring countless others to seek out and share the true treasures of life: kindness, compassion, and the joy of helping those in need.